one, party boys.
Alright, BGYO, we have one more dance for you, which is the kilometer dance. But before that, party boys, do you have any question for the BGYO?
Question, big question.
Hinga muna.
Because honestly, we are a big fan. Like, paano naging successful yung journey ng BGYO?
Paano naging successful? May kasama na siyang hard work, yung patience, syempre dun sa mga nangyayari, and learnings dun sa mga performances, and parang halo-halo na rin siya Pero ang pinaka-importante yung patience and yung hard work and yung understanding sa paligid.
Yeah, and I think kahit anong lugar mo sa ginagawa mo, always stay grounded and marunong ka dapat makisama sa mga tao na kahit sino makasama mo. Yes, and gawing BGYO, hanggang ngayon naman natututo pa rin kami at marami pa kaming gustong ma-achieve. Kumbaga, yun nga, successful kami kasi napapasaya namin yung ACES, yung mga listeners namin, pero sa mga goals namin, marami pa kaming kailangan, marami pa kaming i-achieve, marami pa kaming hindi nakukuha dun sa goal namin. Malayo pa. Kaya ganun din dapat sa inyo.
Thanks a lot, means a lot. We will take note all of that. Alright guys?
Thank you so much, BGYO, for that inspiring words. But we have one last dance to show you.
Ayan!
Let's go!
It's our cover of Kilometro.
Ay!
Tala Kilometro! Let's go!
Let's go.
One more.
One more. Let's go!
Hey!
Sabay!
Sorry.
Relax.
Sabay.
Okay.
Music! We can hear the music!
Let's get it!
Yan. Yes!
Party boys! Let's go, party boys!
Thank you, party boys! So yun, maraming salamat sa pag-join sa campaign. Napanood namin yung videos nyo, sobrang galing nyo, sobrang creative. Tsaka, ayun, gagaling nyo. Yes, and ACES, kung nagalingan kayo sa kanila, support nyo rin sila sa mga accounts nila and sa lahat ng ginagawa nila. Thank you, guys! Yes! So, kayo, baka may gusto kayong, i-promote
or
i-plug about sa Party Boys.
Anyway guys, once again, thank you to all of your support. Thanks for having us, BGY. I really appreciate each one of you. To all the supporters, guys, we would like to promote also our group, Party Boys PH, and you can just follow our account following the party group PH1 if you want to support us and see our TikTok live. Thanks a lot, guys.
Salamat. Yes, support. Pero bago yan, mag-picture taking muna tayo. Yes. Pasa kayo sa frame.
Picture.
Yeah.
Ayan, okay. In 3, 2, 1. Picture. One more. Okay. 3, 2, 3. Yes. Thank you
so much, party boys.
God bless. Good luck with everything. And we hope to see you soon then in person.
Good luck sa inyo. Bye. Thank you, party boys.
Thank you so much, BGYOs.
Bye.
Thank you.
Alright, ang ating next co-host ay si Maxi. Maxi?
Max Square.
Ang ating... Ay! Yun!
Hello po, good evening.
Hi.
Hello, good evening. Maxi, tama? Maxi?
Maxi.
Hi everyone. You can call me Maxkel or you can call me Max for short.
Oh,
Hi,
Max.
Hi, Max.
Ayan, Max. Hi ka naman sa ACES tsaka sa lahat ng viewers.
Hello po, good evening. Ayun, a little backstory. I was just new here last year sa TikTok. Like, 1 year na ako nagla-live dito sa TikTok. And ayun, na-inspire po ako sa inyo, BGYO. Like,
Ay, wow.
alam niyo po ba yung favorite song ko is yung Tumitigil ang Mundo.
Hey!
Because that song was used in our production number in Mr. and Miss Mechanical Engineering, and luckily, I won the title po. So, ayun.
Engineer na nga. Beauty and brains pa.
Yan. Hi po kay Kuya Jello, kay Kuya Nate, kay Kuya Akira, kay Kuya Nikki, and yun po.
Kuya, wait po.
Kulang.
Nate, Kuya Nate, yun.
Kuya JL ba?
Okay lang. Okay lang.
First lang ako.
Okay lang, wag kakabahan. Okay lang yan.
So, ayun po. Can I ask you guys some questions po?
Sige po.
And, guys, can I call you po my kuya? Because I'm an only child po kasi and I never...
Oh, sure.
Pwede.
Walang problema.
Kami ang mga kuya, pagtatanggol ka namin.
May 5 ka na agad na kuya.
Kuya sa amin pag may nanliligaw na sa'yo.
Oo.
songs po. Like,
Ano?
all these ladies po, what is the story po behind your Tita song?
Yung meaning ng All These Ladies.
Apo.
So yung All These Ladies kasi, actually, nirecord namin siya sa States, sa LA, and yung gusto namin iparating sa mga tao when we release All These Ladies, yung parang, you deserve to be loved no matter who you are. Para sa lahat ng ladies and ladies at heart din. So very ano siya, para sa ating lahat.
Yes.
So, yes.
Oh, that's nice. Ito naman po, next question. Which performance po make you the most nervous po?
First performance sa buong career na.
Sa lahat.
Performance or song?
First performance in general. Like,
In general.
First performance
Para sa-
natin sa ASAP.
Para sa amin, siguro yung pinaka-first performance namin na sing and dance, which is Tala Kilometro sa ASAP. Yun yung pinaka-nervous talaga kami.
Yes. Pero sa lahat naman, kinakabahan pa rin kami hanggang ngayon sa mga performances namin.
That's good. Ito po, can we play a game po? Like,
Ay, game! Sige!
like, who's most likely game?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sige.
The name of the member po, yung most nagde-describe po sa itatanong ko po.
Okay.
So, ito po, first question, who's most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
What?
Laugh at the wrong moment. Parang lahat. Sino? Uy, hindi ako. Parang lahat naman tayo tumatawa sa
Bad moment.
I think everyone to.
May iba-ibang moment na parang mali na tumawa tayo dun.
Sa lahat.
Sa lahat.
Next.
Okay po, next question, who's most likely to start a TikTok trend?
TikTok trend?
Feeling ko sila.
Sobrang active. Si Kuya J.
Si JL, si Nate, tsaka si Jello.
O hindi, si Nate. Siya yung nagyayaya sa akin.
Hindi para makakagawa ng trending na parang viral. Parang ikaw yung nag-DC. Ikaw yung magpapauso.
Hindi, gumagawa lang ako ng trending. Ay, hindi.
Pero, yun, who's most likely si JL?
JL.
Ito po. Next question. Who's most likely to make the fans kilig without even trying?
Kuya.
Wala na scrunch.
Bunot na naman ako. Hindi ka maniwala sa kanila.
Si Akira talaga.
Si Jello, tsaka si Minky.
Oo.
Pinasa mo pa sa amin.
Salita habang nakatingin po ako sa inyo.
Bumahan pa talaga.
Po, next question. Who is the most crybaby po in BGYO?
Crybaby.
Wala.
Si Jello. Iyakin.
Like, kahit parang naiiyak po sa fan message po, ganon.
Baka nga ako
Siguro kasi naiiyakin yan. Kumbaga, kurutin mo nga lang yan, iiyak na yan.
True. Try nga natin.
Si Nate din, oo. Showcase.
Pero si Kuya Aki din.
Si Aki din pala.
Sa stage yung
It's called Rain or Shine.
Yeah.
Sunshine ng Pinas.
Us three.
Pero, yes.
Yes.
And last question po. Who is the most malambing member ng BGYO?
Malambing si Aki.
Ako na naman.
Si Aki
Si
pa
Aki
rin.
talaga yung malambing sa amin.
Nalamagat yun eh.
Clingy siya. Yun yung
Nalamagat.
ano.
Parang hindi. Si Nate.
Oh, hindi si Aki, ikaw talaga.
Ako kay Nate
Tanungin mo
ako.
pa yung mga nandito, di ba?
Akira. Si
Gentleman yan. Wow.
Gentleman.
Akira.
Hindi, si Aki talaga.
Si Aki po. Can I give a sample po? Can I
Yes po. Ayan.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes!
your latest song, which is the
All these ladies.
chorus part lang po.
Go!
Go.
1, 2. Pwede niyo po ba akong sabayan?
Sige!
Yeah.
Pero
Or
baka
gusto mo,
Hindi magsabay.
ikaw muna, tapos kami.
Okay, 1,
sabay.
2, go.
Ba, hindi kasi magsasabay.
Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. All these ladies, please, somebody say you too. Baby, please. Got me on my knees. Oh, these ladies got me going crazy. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Yay!
Nice one, Max.
Good job, Max.
Yeah, hey, indeed. Ayan. Tayo naman daw, sabi ni
Kami
Ma'am.
naman daw magsasample. Sige
Sabi
po.
niya, okay, game.
Okay.
5, 6, 7.
All these ladies got me going crazy. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. All these ladies, please somebody save me. Say you feel it too. Say you feel it too. So baby, please. You got me on my knees. All these ladies got me going crazy. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Yeah. Thank you for joining the campaign,
Yes.
Max.
Thank you, Max. So, ayan, baka may gusto ka pang sabihin.
I do have a message for you guys.
Ayun.
Oh.
GYO, sa inyong 5 po. Thank you so much po for inspiring us in our generation, and thank you po for using your talent, guys, to keep us inspired and because you're not just guys are performers, you are role models po ng ating generation ngayon, and thank you po for keeping us proud, lalo na po yung mga aces. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Max.
Thank you, Max. We appreciate you.
Thank you. Sobrang heartfelt.
Po.
Sorry.
Yes po?
Ano ulit
A
yun?
picture?
A picture, okay. And a 3, and a 2, and a 1.
One more.
One more time. 3, 2, 1.
Yay.
Oh, yeah.
And I request po, last favor po, can you guys say Maxi po while doing this?
Maxi.
Apo.
Maxi. Okay,
Game.
2,
3,
ay, na-screen record na? Okay na?
okay, 3, 2, 1.
Maxi! Thank you, Maxi.
Kami mong alarm mo.
Thank you, Maxi.
Guys, support nyo si Maxi
Yes.
sa mga TikTok live niya.
Promote
Her
mo din,
endeavors.
promote mo din yung social media accounts mo dito para ma-support ka nila.
Yun guys po, thank you so much po for TikTok PH, especially po sa TikTok PH and BGYO PH po for making this co-host live possible. And you can guys follow me here on my TikTok account, MaxCalGilio18. That's my username po. And in my IG, Instagram, you can follow me. My username is MaxCalHosen. So ayun po. Thank you so much.
Yay.
Okay.
Thank you, Max. Na-appreciate namin yung message mo.
Thank you, Max.
Sobra.
Yes, i-follow nyo siya, guys.
Soon in person.
Yes
Ay,
po. See you
sana.
soon in person.
Yes. See you, sana.
Ingat.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Max. Ingat
Good luck with
palagi.
everything.
Bye.